Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use elderberry flowers. First, let's talk about harvesting. Look for fully open, creamy white flower clusters, typically in late spring or early summer. Avoid any flowers growing near busy roads or areas sprayed with pesticides. Once harvested, gently shake the flower heads to dislodge any small insects. This simple step ensures your flowers are clean and ready for preparation. Elderberry flowers are fantastic for making refreshing drinks. You can create a delicious cordial by infusing the fresh flowers in water with sugar and lemon. This concentrate is perfect for mixing with sparkling water. Another great option is elderflower simple syrup, which adds a delicate floral note to cocktails, lemonades, or even drizzled over fruit. Both fresh and carefully dried flowers work wonderfully for these preparations. Beyond drinks, elderberry flowers can be a delightful addition to your cooking. A classic treat is elderflower fritters, where you dip entire flower clusters into a light batter and fry them until golden. The delicate flavor and crispy texture are truly special. You can also incorporate dried elderflowers into baked goods like muffins or cakes, adding a subtle, aromatic twist. Just remember to ensure your flowers are clean and dry before using them in any recipe. Elderberry flowers also make a lovely, calming tea. Simply steep a few fresh or dried flower heads in hot water for about 5 minutes. For long-term use, you can easily dry the flowers by hanging them in a well-ventilated area away from direct sunlight. Once completely dry, store them in an airtight container. While elderflowers have traditional uses, always consult a healthcare professional for specific medicinal advice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.